How to buy Immortal Rising 2 token. So this token came under the symbol of IMT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional. I recommend expertly before investing in any project that you found on my channel. Please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So how to buy this token on MEXC? Go and open your account on MEXC, as you can see. Now make sure to log into your account. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, you can go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, in the search, type the token name, as you can see, IMT, and you will be able to find this pair to USDT. Now click on it, wait a few seconds, and you will be able to already access this page. As you can see, this token, it will be available for trading. As you can see, now wait a few seconds, by 1 day from now. So until that date, what you need to do, as you can see, I will show you the example how to buy this token. For example, this is our token. Now make sure to click on pair that has a USDT. Now for that, wait a few seconds, click on buy, select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. For this case, it will be IMT, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy IMT. Now if you select the market, you can just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy IMT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.